Then we talk about garnishing. Garnishing is the accompaniments we use in decorating our drinks. It varies from edibles to non-edibles. We can use non-edible things to garnish and at the same time edible things. We can use cookies, we can use fruits, umbrellas, okay? Then we talk about top shelf, and we say top shelf are expensive drinks in the bar. We talk about dash, and we say dash is the smallest bar measurements. Okay. Signatures, they are self-inspired drinks or cocktails crafted by individuals. And I told us that as we go deeper in this class, on your own, especially when we have treated what we call flavor profiling, I want you to start, thinking of how you should be able to craft your own cocktail. And anytime you're able to conclude with a particular flavor or ingredient, let us know so that we'll give you the chance. You come out here and experiment it. Okay? So when we test it and it's okay, we approve it and add it to our menu. Don't forget we have a lot of event planners here. They might call you for event and say you mix your signature for them. Flair bartending. Okay, ma. Beer. No. But we use beer for mixing. Beer is under what we call lager. Lager. Yes. It's not a cocktail. Okay. So, but there are some bars you go that they mix beer for you. Okay, they have some extracts that they add together. The beer contains what we call hop. It contains malt, and it went through a process of brewing, fermentation, and other things. Okay, so now we talk about cordial or liquor. If you don't call it cordial, you call it liquor. And when we say liquor, we say it's those sweet distinct spirits with base liquor. I think I've mentioned that before. Floating, to carefully pour a small amount of liquid over the back of a bar spoon to create a layered drink, right? Yes. Then we talk about mixers, right? Any non-alcoholic beverage we use in mixing our cocktails, they are mixers. Then we said, what is a mixology? Or what is mixology rather? It's the art of mixing cocktail. It's the art of mixing cocktail. Then what about modeling? Modeling. To crush ingredients at the bottom of a glass or container using a modeler. And I showed us what a modeler is, right? I'll show us again today because we are talking about, today we'll be treating equipment and glasses we use. Okay? All right. So today we'll start with equipment for mixology. Equipment for mixology. I hope we all have our notes. Yes, sir. Equipment for mixology. Are you there? Yes. Okay. So number one, right, blender. Blender. Blending machine. Who doesn't know what a blending machine is? We all have it in our homes. Is there any need for me to show you? We have 5 or 6, more than 6 here. Yes, industrial and normal ones. Okay. Please, can somebody help us carry one blender inside? Bring the Kenwood. Kenwood. It might be dusty, just... Okay. While we wait for him, let's go to number 2. We have the shaker. Have I shown her what a shaker is?